Welcome to the Great Groundhog. In this video, we are going to focus on the topic generations. In the last tutorial, we talked about demographic segmentation, and age is an important category in this context. Above all, we take a look at the three generations X, Y, and Z. So let's get started. The goals of this video are to understand the background of the three generations X, Y, and Z for segmenting your audience. This knowledge can help you to produce videos that match the ideas of each generation. Each generation shares similar experiences, historical events, and technological developments. Let's start with Generation X, which comes after the baby boomers and before the Generation Y. Members of the Generation X are born between the 1960s and 1980. People of the Gen X grew up with TV and later on with computers. They are skeptical when it comes to authority. Now let's turn to the Generation Y. The Generation Y is also called Millennials because they grew up around the year 2000. They are between the Generation X and the Generation Z. They are the first generation that grew up with the Internet. Therefore, they are the first age group that is called digital natives. In general, they tend to be flexible and focus on the work-life balance. The Generation Y is followed by the Generation Z. The members of the Generation Z are born around the year 2000 and later. They are the first generation that grew up in the digital age. Social media are essential for the Generation Z. YouTube, WhatsApp, or Instagram play a crucial role for this generation. Additionally, security is an important value for the Generation Z. Summing up, we can say that the Generation X grew up with computers, the Generation Y with the Internet, and the Generation Z with social media. Thanks a lot for watching The Great Groundhog. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.